What's going on, guys? Jerry here with 3DHP, and I've got a quick little video here. Today I'm working with my Hoatian 60 watt JPT MOPA fiber laser. I'm going to be engraving one of my PMags. I picked these up here in Vegas. They were on sale for like 10 bucks a piece, so we're going to engrave both sides of it. And then I'll do a couple little samples also. So I hope you like the video. It'll be pretty quick, and there'll be links down below if you'd like to check out this laser. It came with 3 amazing lenses. It's working great, and I'm learning and burning as I go. You know, I've got a lot to learn, and these videos will keep coming out, and I will do more. You know, as time goes on, I'll do more and more and more. So anyway, hope you like the video. Please like, comment, and share, and all that good stuff.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared. I walk a straight path, not many can say that. I like to play fast, cross me and there's payback. You better pray that I don't see your face at any place that I go. I know you hate that. I've been doing fine, I'm not wasting any more time.
Okay, here's the results. This is some sample material my friend Patrick from Light Source Engraving. And I engraved inside there with some nice Viking style designs. It's doing some tests on some settings that he gave me, and those came out really nice. And then here is the PMag. Boy, is that sharp. Very cool. Very nice. I hope you guys liked the video. Please comment, subscribe, like, share, all that good stuff. Help out the YouTube algorithm so they will share more of my content so I can get more subscribers. And remember, Hoatian 60 watt JPT MOPA fiber laser. Links below. Later, guys.